Hi everyone, today November 20, Sunday. Again, I will go to scoreboards competition, Bikini competition. I waiting Georgi also now on the way from his apartment. Hi. So I will show to you today again full show from 10 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I not skip. If I go to the scoreboard competition, I will sit and take video from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and wait who win. You can watch this video. Thank you in advance. Thank you. It's allowed take video now? Yes, sir. Okay.
All the girls that moving around the area wearing red shirts, 100 pesos for expensive bids, and 5,000 pesos for the golden bids. Gentlemen, bids is the only criteria for judging the scorers who's the competition. And for our first one, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our first set of our candidate. Setting from Dumaguete City with a vital statistics of 34, 24, and 34. 5'3" in height with a gold number of D378, representing the house bar. Give it up for Zeb Fuentes. 4024, representing Globe Atlantis. Give it up for Miss Christy Pineda. Thank you so much, Christy. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 5. She comes to us from the capital city of the Philippines. That's going to be Mega Manila. 25 years of age with a vital statistics of 32, 26, and 24. 5'1" in height with a gold number of DH389. Representing the house bar, give it up for Miss Shakira and Riho. Thank you so much, once and gentlemen, that was Miss Shakira. And moving on to our contestant number 6. She comes to us from Leyte. Final statistics of 42, 26, and 24. That one in height, representing Lollipop Bar. Please welcome Maurice Rosende. Combinations right up here in the scorers now. Thank you so much. And moving on to our contestant number 7. He comes to us from Bikini with a vital statistic of 34, 23, and 33. 26 years of age with a right 2 in height. With a goal number 537. Representing Globe Atlantis, please welcome Miss Jordan Vincent Papa. Number 8, representing also from Leyte, 26 years of age with a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 37. 5'2" in height, with a goal number D409. Representing the house bar, please welcome Miss Emery Barreto. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, buy some beats for your favorite contestant. For them to test us how they are working. The city of Babayog, 28 years of age with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 35. 5'1" in height, representing Lollipop Bar. Give it up for Miss Carmina Oroman. Our first set of our candidates. Candidate number 10. She comes to us from the Bookfish capital of the Philippines. I'm talking about Pangasinan City. 21 years of age with a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 36. 5'1" in height with a goal number of D555. Representing the house bar. Give it up for Miss Dan Ginata. for contestant hearing source accommodation. And also you can have a chance to sit there right next beside you. Gentlemen, all you need to do is buy some drinks.
Rice don't have, meat don't have, all don't have. I don't know what I can eat here today. Only rice. And pizza. Fruits. Fruits also don't have today. Vegetable. Vegetable also don't have. Oh, already have. Also rice. Rice don't have already. But only one plate have. And don't have foods now. Don't have foods. Yes, I have only rice. Have foods because so many people today. Many people. Pizza also don't have. Have food already. I will eat only rice. Are you full already? Yeah, I also want it. I waited Georgi. Georgi already eat already, finish it.
A lot. So I'm ready for dessert now.
Ah, it's good. But I waiting for meat. Don't have. Already have beef.
Sorry.
Okay, Victoria. Yeah. Oh, already have food. Good.
With a final statistics of 34, 24, and 34, 22 in age, with a 5'6" and high, representing Globe Atlantis, give it up for Maria Del Cielo Io. The beautiful land of Samar, 27 years of age, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 33. Representing Lollipop Bar, give it up for Miss Ashley Design. From Subic Bay, 27 years of age with a vital statistics of 34, 25, and 34. 5'6" in height with a gold number of 132. Representing Global Atlantis, give it up for Miss Leia Sikai. Number 15, also she loves from the beautiful island of Samar, with a vital statistics of 30, 24, and 34. 23 in age, gentlemen, with a gold number of D589, representing Dollhouse Bar. Give it up for Miss Remelin Caniedo. Representing from Davao City, 22 years of age, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 33. For 11 in height, gentlemen, representing Elite Bar, give it up for Miss Genevieve McDonald. Gentlemen, representing from the big land of Mega Manila, 20 years of age with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 34. With a gold number of D498, representing Dollhouse Bar, give it up for Miss Maria Joanna Avalos. Representing Double House Bar, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Snoopy Gonzaga. More higher than 5 drinks. 6 drinks. I think he conceived already. Yeah, congratulations, sir. You won for the 6 drinks. Ladies and gentlemen, this huge one is available for ladies' drinks. All you need to do is just raise your hands, and you may have a chance to see their right legs. Listening, you might be a chance as well to do their heart. Sing a little bit of never be peace, never be touch, but finally, amazing.
How much one? How much one? How much one pieces? 101, yeah? Ah, it's additional, need to pay additional 100 for one. Okay, thank you.
You can go for Marie, gentlemen, by the way, from the land of Metro Manila, 21 years of age, gentlemen, fresh from Metro Manila. Raise your hands, gentlemen. 6 drinks. 6 drinks, the highest.
Георгий Борет. Георгий watch Russian YouTube and not interesting girls. Георгий, which girl you like today? What number? You don't know. Okay, you choose later. I will go upstairs.
This drinks, just all you need to do is just raise your hands and you can have a relaxed gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you so much. Nakita na naman ang contestant dito, guys. Mag-ready na kayo. Si Mama yung And for all of the customers, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say thank you so much for coming in tonight. Hope you are enjoying the day. Once again, every third day of Sunday, catch them here Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging for the exclusive competitions winning the more bits that they get, the better chances of their winning. So buy them some bits to your free process.
Georgi, what girl you like? Show to me number. What number?
11.
You don't know.
11.
11. 11, where 11?
Your favorite
11,
candidates.
yes. Only one girl, 11 only.
Miss Maribel Mezzola.
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5. What happened?
Many beats. You see, many beats.
Ah,
This table.
from this table. Very popular girl maybe.
And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, for contestant number 14, take a look at one more.
I think Georgi, this one is new girl, yes? 18. First time.
The beats that they get for us to find out who's gonna be the lucky top 10 will proceed. Thank you so much, ladies. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, catch them every turn of the Sunday. Of course, only here in the heart of Metro Angeles City, Starbirds Hotel. This portion is brought to you by Dollhouse Bar and Club at Landis, located at the Walking Street. They are open every day. Show started exactly 9 p.m. onwards, gentlemen. That's right, ladies. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, catch them every third Sunday of the month. Or start at exactly 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. Representing Dollhouse Bar with a total bid of 606, please welcome Miss Laika Pedrosa, candidate number 3. And from Dollhouse Bar, candidate number 5, Shakira and Rio. Pedrosa. More fun and excitement on tonight, gentlemen. So don't miss it. Last call for bids in one. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a huge round of applause for our top 10 finalists? Ladies and gentlemen, catch them every third Sunday of the month. Of course, only here in the heart of Metro Angeles City. This is Corporate Hotel. This portion is brought in part by the Double House.
It's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men. The loop is everywhere. Yes, calling on the three ladies.
And she got a 622 beats. And we'd like to call on our
Congratulations, yes, round of applause.
a total of 622 beats. And now for the second place winner. And she got 936 beats. None other than number 3, Laika Pedrosa.
Yes, congratulations to Laika.
Our second place winner. Alam na this. Alam na this. I'm sure you all have the same bet. Our first place winner or the champion for tonight, and she got 1,311 beats. None other than candidate number 18, Marietta Zavala.
Yes, congratulations. Contestant number 8. Yes, thank you so much for having us again, Scoreboards. And congratulations to all the winners of Scoreboard Sweet competition. This one, the good girls, the good girls, they must be solid, wild, living up in the city.
Georgi, why you not use, huh? Why? Don't like.
I'm tired already.
Tired, tired. So you need to give any girl.
To like a Pedrosa.
What you say?
It's to like a Pedrosa.
To like a Pedrosa?
Yes.
Who is? Number one?
Number one, like a Pedrosa.
Okay, okay. No, give to her. Georgi, give to her.